Hello students, this is Radheshyam Yadav. Today I am going to solve question number 13, chapter 11 of NCERT book for class 10th. Now let us start. A round table cover has 6 equal designs as shown in figure. If the radius of the cover is 28 cm, find the cost of making the designs at the rate of rupees 0.35 per centimeter square. Use root 3 equals to 1.7. So now this is the figure. I have made only one segment. Like this it will be there. Total in the circle there will be 6 equal design, means 6 minor segments will be there. Now radius is 28 centimeter, and since the total angle is 360 degree at the center, total design in 6, so we will get 60 degree. Now let us calculate all these things. Now given means number of round table cover has 6 equal designs. So area of minor segment will be 6. No, I'm sorry. This is not. We will first write the number of designs. This is given 6 into minor segments. Minor segments. Now radius is given to us is 28 centimeter. Cost 0.35 per centimeter square. Now this is a sector, so we must know the theta angle. That is, angle at the sector will be total angle, means angle at the center, angle of the circle at center divided by 6. So this becomes 360 upon 6. Now this is 60 degree. Now in this we will see this is 28 centimeter and this side is also 28 centimeter. And this angle is 60 degrees. We know that the angle opposite to equal sides are also equal. That means this angle will be also 60 degree and this will be also 60 degree. So this becomes a equilateral triangle. So now area of minor segment. Area of minor segment equals to area of sector minus area of triangle OAB. Now let me say that, so this, since this angle is equal, angles opposite to equal sides are also equal. Therefore, angle AOB equals to angle OAB equals to angle OBA, OBE. That means 60 degree equals to 60 degree equals to 60 degree. So therefore, triangle OAB is a equilateral triangle. We will put the formula for equilateral triangle in this question. So area of sector we know, that is theta upon 360 into pi into r square minus area of triangle OAB, that is it is an equilateral triangle. So we will say root 3 by 4 into a square, that means side square. So theta, that is 60 upon 360 into 22 by 7 into r square means 28 into 28 minus root 3 1.7 by 4 into 28 into 28. So मैंने सभी की वैल्यू लिख दिया है, अब इसको सॉल्व करेंगे. Now I have written all the values and we will calculate it. Now 60 upon 360 means 6, 7 4 ja 28, 2 11 ja 22, 2 3 ja 6. So here we get 11 into 28 into 4 upon 3 minus 4 7 ja 28. So it will be 1.7 into 28 into 7. Now let me calculate the values. Here that is 11 into 4, that is 44 into 28. 8 4 ja 32, 8 4 ja 32 plus 3 35, 2 4 ja 8, 2 4 ja 8, 2 8 plus 5 3, 8 plus 3 plus 1, that is 12. 1232 by 3. So this comes out to be 1232 by 3 minus, this we will multiply it, that is 1.7 into 28, 28 into 7, that is 7 8 ja 56 and 7 2 ja 14 plus 5 19 into 1.7 7 6 ja 42 7 9 ja 63 63 plus 4 67 7 1 ja 7 plus 6 13 6 9 and 1. So we will get 2 7 6 13 9 plus 3 12 plus 1 13 1 plus 1 13 point. So this comes out to be 333.20 333.2. Now if we will cut this value, so we will get 3 4 ja 12 3 1 ja 3 0.67 minus 333.2. Let us say, now I will subtract this value, that is 410.67 minus 333.20. So it is 7. 6 minus 2 is 4. 10 minus 3 is 7. 10 minus 3 is 7. Here it is 10. 10 minus 3 is 7. So this comes out to be 77.47. It is centimeter square. So this is the value of area of minor segments. Now we have 6 segments like this. So total cost, I will write here total cost of making design equals to 6 into 777.47 into 0.35. So we will calculate it. Here it is 0.35 into 6. 6 5 is 30. 6 3 is 18 plus 3 21. 21.2.10. 2.10. So 77.47 multiplied by 2.10. So we will get 0, 0, 0 and 0. 171. 4 1 ja 4. 7 1 ja 7. 7 1 ja 7. 2 7 ja 14. 2 4 ja 8 plus 1 9. 2 7 ja 14. 2 7 ja 14 plus 1 15. 0 7 4 4 8. 9 plus 7 16. 9 plus 1 16. 7 plus 4 11 plus 1 2. 5 plus 1 6 1.1234. So we will get 162.68. So total cost will come 162.69 rupees. So our answer is 129 rupees. Answer is 162.69 rupees. So this will be our answer. So in this way, question number 13 is solved. Please subscribe to my channel, like it and share it. Thank you.